Hi, I want to share my latest finished project with you. I followed a tutorial that Paul Ford has done for a wallet album, and it's really good. I think it's going to be a go-to album for me to use up papers that I've got left from various different collections that I can mix and match. I did use the Lost in Paradise by Graphic 45. This is the 8x8 pad. So you have 3 of each design in the pad. So I took out 1 of each so that I still have enough left in the pad to do another project. I didn't use all of them because I didn't need to use each page. So I was quite pleased with that. But I also did substitute some of the papers out of the nature sketchbook because I'd got some spare bits that were cut already and I wanted to see if I could use them somewhere. For example, this one here, and let me find tiny little scrap left. This here, this one, I used in the book because it went in really well with what I was doing. And also this one, which I think is absolutely beautiful. And it's that one there. I'd got some of this left that was offcuts from a previous project. So I put those in as well. So I think this is going to be a really good album to use those bits in. I'm very excited about that. Right, so this is the album itself. This is the front, beautiful cover, and the back with all these beautiful birds in amongst the flowers. So, and the sides are just decorated with offcuts. So you open it up like this and you've got a waterfall at the top. As I say, this is the green I've just shown you that I used from the Nature Sketchbook, and this is actually from the Lost in Paradise collection. It goes well, so I thought, why not? This lifts up and you've got this space here for your photographs. Plenty of space there. Minimal paper used, but it looks stunning. So I thought, that's what made me think in the first place, need to do this and see what I can utilise from all the different bits. If you're anything like me, you've got bags and bags of bits of paper that have come from a collection, but you don't want to throw them away and you might use them one day. This is the project to use. So this page here has got the cutter pots and they just fit nicely on there, so that was good. Photo, turn over, photo, and that's beautiful. I love this. And this is this side of it, so you've got cutter parts there and another photo. Excuse that, it's from my edging ink. I haven't replaced that because a photo is going to go over the top of it. So you open up that way and then you've got all, you can see all the 3. So isn't he gorgeous? Lovely. Fold it down and then you've got another photo here and another photo here. This also fits very nicely, as you can see, but it's just a strip. That's why I'm saying you can get a lot out of this. So if you can see that, that one matches that one. And then this is the center. This is a photo mat that just used minimal paper on the top again. Now you could make 3 or 4 of these quite easily and they will fit in here. Bags of room. I love these little triangular pockets and the way that this opens up. I just think it really sets off the middle of it. You open that and that's the very base. So you can put, again, 3 or 4 of these, if not more in there, or just stack your photos in there ready to be going onto the pages. If you're giving it for a gift, you know, just start them off with a couple of photos and away they go. Either side you've got a tag pocket. You could put a photo on here if you wanted to, or an embellishment. Now I made just 3 tags, but you could easily fit 4 in either pocket, easily. Now Two of these are the same and one's different. So on the back is just the plain, so you can put a photo on there if you want to. I did two like that. This one, which is a cut apart, and it fits perfect, so I thought, why not? I stamped the back of it saying capture the moment, so you can do a bit of journaling if you want. So you'll choose what you want to do, obviously it's your album. But I like the fact that you can mix and match everything and come up with such a beautiful album. I mean, I think it's stunning and I can see such possibilities with this that I'm quite excited by it, if you can't tell. Right, I can't part with scraps of paper. I just can't, and I've still got these left. So I will be making more tags because why wouldn't I? Now going back to the tags, I normally get my die cut machine out every now and again when I've got a whole heap of scraps of black card left and cream card left. And I just sit there and I do various different sizes of tags so that I've got a good stash. Well, I couldn't find my stash. So I thought, oh, I'm not going to get the die cut out to make 3 or 4. So I decided just to use my punch this time. It's a good punch. You can do 1.5, 2 inches and 2.5 inches. You just cut your card to the width out of those 3 that you want to do. Put it in there, punch, and that's how it comes out. And then you just decorate it as you want. So the make of this is Sunlit. I really can't remember where I got it from. I wish I could. Probably online is all that I can come up with, to be fair. But have a look around if that interests you. The stamp that I used was Capture the Moment. Very old stamp. 2008 Technique Tuesday. Don't even know if they exist anymore. But there's lots of different journaling stamps that you can buy. But that one I quite like because it will fit on the back of a tag quite nicely. I used this ink pad because I felt it gave me the vintage feel that I wanted. I tend to go for browns and vintage on the edging of all of my photo mats, so I just tie that in with if I'm doing some of these. So I hope you've enjoyed that. As I say, Paul Ford, do give him a look. He's got some great albums there and all different things to have a look at. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching. I don't know what I'm going to make next. It's whatever takes my fancy. Bye for now.